In this video, we'll look at how you can review your coding. After you have imported your data and done some coding, you might want to stop and take stock. When you're working in a document, you can turn on coding stripes by selecting the Document tab in the ribbon and clicking on Coding Stripes, then All Coding. Coding stripes are these coloured bars that show you the themes that have emerged. You see here that this passage is coded at the node Real Estate Development. You can click on the stripe to highlight the coded section, or you can right click on the stripe to use the shortcut menu to access other options. For example, let's say this paragraph has been coded at the wrong code. You can just right click on the coding stripe to uncode it. The coding density bar helps you to see what parts of the document are more heavily coded, and you can just hover over the bar to see all the nodes that cover a particular section. If you want to see all of the content you have gathered about a theme, you would click on Nodes in the Codes area of the navigation view, and you can just double click on any node that you want to view to open it. For example, let's open this node. Here you can see what everybody said about habitat. As you explore the references, you may want to open the original source. Just click the hyperlink for the sources. If you want to see more context around a reference, just right-click over the text to access the shortcut menu and select Coding Context. Again, if you turn on the coding stripes within a node, you can see the other nodes or themes that code this content. This can really help you see the connections and patterns in your data. While reviewing the material, you may want to code on to other nodes. For example here, Margaret talks about the negative effects of dredging. You can select this text and code it at a new node. And if you want to see a list of all the sources that contain coding at the node Habitat, just click on the Summary tab. In later courses or in Help, you can learn about coding queries as another way to explore your themes and uncover connections.